So hey guys, it's me, Zosha Outlaw, if you didn't fucking know. So today I'm gonna be taking you guys with me. I have to go run some errands, and I'm gonna go get a pedicure. I'm not doing my nails anymore, you guys know that. I'm gonna be wearing press-ons. I'm selling them. If you guys like these, like really fun, body style nails, I have those. But yeah guys, we're gonna go get a pedicure, do a little shopping, and have some fun, so come with me. Show you guys the fit for that day. So this is what I'm wearing. I just have this little Victoria's Secret like workout set and these little chanclas. I really love this store because they always have like the most cutest things. But yeah girl, they have like the cutest little, most simple little shits. I just love this store. And mira, for $5 I'm just actually looking for like some summer clothes, you know, because I'm tired of wearing fucking jeans. It's always so hot. Oh, this is cute. I like this one. Ooh, they have their dresses now. I'm gonna get me some dresses, you guys. Ooh, it looks so nice. So I got 3 colors in that dress. I love these freaking dresses and I haven't seen them for like a long time. So should I get this color too? Do you guys like this one? Something different.